I can't believe it. It really works. $33,000 in Ethereum in just a few clicks. It's amazing. Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I want to show you how you can get free crypto in just a few clicks. I have tried a lot of ways to get free crypto in the last few weeks, and most of them don't work. But today I will show you how you can get 10 Ethereum in just 1 minute. It will be super easy, guys. Just follow my instructions. For start, we go to bigstake.su. All right, we need to sign up. Right, I'll log in. Then our real mail, gmail.com. Okay, and create a strong password. It must be strong, guys. Repeat our password. Complete the captcha. And click create account. Okay, we have successfully created our account. As you can see, it's really easy. Let's use our promo code. We enter the promo code secret 10 ETH. It will be in the pinned comment though this video. Click here. Yeah, we have successfully activated our promo code and now have $33,000 in Ethereum. We can withdraw it to our wallet. And now we go to our wallet. I use Trust Wallet, but you can use any other wallet. It doesn't matter. Copy the address just right here and go back. Paste address right here. Enter the amount and click withdraw. To complete the process, verification payment is needed. Like if there's payment in any currency or prompt, it's normal. Just do it once. Click start verification. Select the coin. I select the other TRC20 as it's very fast and has low fees. And click proceed. Oh, in some ticket box, guys, copy the address and go to wallet. Click send. Select the coin. Paste address right here. Enter the amount. Confirm and go back. Click I have paid. And as you can see, now our account is verified. So let's click withdraw again. Then again, copy the address of our wallet and paste it right here. Enter the amount and click withdraw. The withdrawal is fully complete. Perfect, guys. Well, let's wait about 1 minute. I can't believe it. It's really worth $33,000 in Ethereum in just a few clicks. It's amazing. So leave the link to Beatstake below in the pinned comment. Give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.